recording.
Good morning, everybody. It's Tara from the 10 Acre Woods, and Tiana is behind the camera. Our days when Mark is at work starts with early morning feedings of the baby. So we've named this little guy Phil, and I think from what we can tell and the comments, he's a starling, and we've never had a starling. So this is a first, the little starling. So because we're gonna head out and go feed, yeah, have a poop. Yep. Whoop. Get that. Oh yeah. So little starling, his name is Phil. Here you go. And we're just gonna top him up. I fed him about 7 in the morning we get up. So we're just gonna top him up because we have to go outside to feed the other animals in the barn. I'm moving too fast for Tiana. Okay, so we're gonna lock him up safely because of the cats. Then we're gonna grab our milk, which I already made, and we're gonna go outside and feed the babies. This is typically what happens every day here while Mark is at work. And then we come outside and we go, good morning! Good morning, kids! Good morning, Sheldon! Ritzy! Where's Ritzy? Good morning. Good morning, Willow. Hi, Willow. Hi. Good morning, JJ. All right. And today we've got on the schedule, we've got our farrier coming for these horses up front. And we've got septic coming to empty our porta potty, I think is today's chore. All right. We go in the barn, we check the mouse traps. See, this is kind of like, I'm just guiding you through my brain. So come on in. Oh, they heard the door. We left the light on last week. Good morning! Good morning! Oh, oh. Oh. Brotherly, sisterly love. Aww. You could stand up, David.
Oh, they're actually pretty evenly matched this evening.
Yeah. Usually David beats Daphne.
By a lot,
yeah.
But this is pretty close.
David's done. You gotta entertain him with the bottle.
And Daphne's done.
All right.
There we go.
All done. Breakfast is over. We'll play outside for the day. We'll play outside for the day. Come on, you two. yours. Sorry, Petunia. All right, walk around and check for eggs.
So throwing some grain down for the morning. Now you can tell the alpacas are ready to come out when you look over and there's someone at the door. Hi, Shamsi. Girlie's ready to come out. Watch out. Coming out, Petey. Going out. Come on, Piper. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Piper.
Too much quacking, I couldn't hear you.
There we go.
Okay, then we pretend we're chefs. Farm chefs. Get some apples, some carrots, and then give them some treats out there.
So we do get donated bags of either carrots, apples, some other treats, just from either visitors or people who have we've taken an animal in for them.
The only ones we won't, we cut off all mold, bad fruit. They all get fresh. If I'm not going to eat it, my animals aren't going to get it. So make sure that when you donate, it's not moldy. I don't mind the roots and growing and that kind of stuff because they're healthy, but I'm not fond of giving my animals moldy veggies. Pigs can handle it a little bit different, but then I figured you're getting mold and stuff from different areas and introducing different molds to here, so it's not really, can they eat it? Yes, most likely. However, I just don't want to bring in any from somewhere else that they would not naturally get here. So that's why I'm so particular on moldy veggies. And then, of course, Petey and Piper's apples. Also make sure your tags are not on. So we usually just chop up some, and then, of course, Petey and Piper get their big treat if they want it. Want an apple? Java? You want carrot? Hi, Paula. Paula likes carrots. You want an apple? Hey? No.
Normally it's done with peas.
Yeah. An apple? She's like, I'll eat anything. Good boy. Hi, Jasper. Sorry, Gwen. I'm standing in mushy. Gotta go around. Apple, or can I see what's in the bucket? Can we not push her out of the way? Where's Edgar? You seen Edgar and Bum Bum?
No, they're usually napping somewhere though at this time.
Alright, and then we'll go over and check the rabbits. By then, we should have our farrier here. Meadow, leave him alone. He doesn't want to run. Oh my, can she run?
Yeah.
When they run, he runs
Yeah.
full bore, right? And then she comes up behind him and you can see that she like kicks it up a notch.
Yeah.
But doesn't pass him, but you know she could.
Yeah.
Just check to make sure the record light's on, right? Because I always screw it up.
I've done that.
It says record bottom left.
That's what I see. I see it.
So my pastures are still flooded
Are they?
because we have a beaver
Okay.
clogging the road culverts.
Okay, but that's cute.
It's cute unless it's your field.
I know.
If he just live in the pond
Yeah.
and not block the road culvert,
Yes.
no problem. Because actually, my poplar trees need thinning out anyway, so no problem.
Right?
Stop blocking the culvert.
I'll take your beaver. We got a pond. What do they don't eat meat, do they?
I think the municipality
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah,
will
no, I know.
remove them. They don't have much of a sense of humor about beavers.
Right.
There was like 3 trucks and 10 guys staring at the culvert this morning.
Are you serious for one beaver?
Yeah, an excavator.
Okay, that is hilarious. How do you get rid of a beaver? 10 guys? That's hilarious. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but...
Damn.
Just because he's on TV. Yeah. Right? It's okay, we're only doing 1 foot, Levi, then you're done.
Well, and you threw oats down, and they're right in front of him.
Oh. Okay, don't touch the camera, okay?
Extend the legs. What are we doing?
Alrighty, well, that was our morning. It changes all the time because obviously the chickens and stuff are getting more food outside than they are inside. We are going to try, Tiana and I are going to try to do a little bit more vlogging. I see I'm crooked.
Yeah, now you're really crooked.
We'll get better and better at it. So till next time, see ya and have a great day.
Have an awesome day.
What does Dad always say? I don't know. We watched the
We're
videos.
blanking.
I promise. We watched the videos, but we're blanking because we're under pressure. Bye.
Bye.